Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Monday. It is February the 19th and I am sitting down to break my fast with you guys. Just wanted to show you a little bit on my plate. So Saturday you saw me in my last vlog just baking these turkey wings. I also baked some mac and cheese, which came out really good. Did need just a little bit of salt, but it's okay. And then today we just kind of heated up a bag of mixed veggies and then also a bag of green beans so that we could have some, kind of veg to go on the side. I don't have any salads. I did not go and pick up anything at the store. So I was like, you know what? These come in handy too. So that's what I'm gonna be having for my plate today. Yes, we had turkey wings yesterday for dinner as well. Pretty much the same meal. I cannot wait to chow down because I'm so super hungry. But right now it is 4:14 in the afternoon. I have my coffee, leftover Dunkin' coffee. This was the Midnight Black that I didn't finish up. This is the new water cup for the week that I've been drinking a lot of. In fact, yeah, drinking a lot of. And then for bubbles today, I'm gonna go with the Sun-Kissed Orange. So that's what I'll be having. If I do have a sweet tooth or if I have any additional room left over after this pretty heavy and fulfilling meal, then I'll probably have, I know I have a Too Good vanilla yogurt in there that I can kind of finesse with a little bit of chia seeds. And I don't think I have any fruit here. That's my only issue. Dang it, if I had some fruit. So I definitely got to stop by the store sometime this week, get some salad stuff, get some fruit, stuff that we can have, for the week and, just kind of eat and all that good stuff. So other than that, I think that's pretty much it. I hope you guys' this week is off to a great start. And if you're new here, of course, hey, my name is Natalie. I didn't even give you guys an intro. I don't give you an outro. I don't give you really much, but you'll get the real deal. This is what I'm having. And it's not keto or anything else along those lines, but I am definitely going to be eating good. So it seems to be paying off and I'm excited about that. So I'm not too mad about it. But I will see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on the channel. Take care. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Alrighty, so it is Thursday, February the 22nd, and we are finally home, thank goodness. It started raining as we were on our way home, so it kind of got a little slick out there, but we made it home safely, so happy about that. But my husband is cooking right now, and everything looks really, really good so far, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what he's making for us to break fast. Alright, so Honey is making chicken parmesan, and so he's boiling some noodles here. These are a couple of the chicken cutlets that he already did. So just some chicken breast that's been seasoned, and he actually used some breading here. So he did, let's see, just a little bit of AP flour, an egg wash, and then some panko breadcrumbs with, what else did you put in there? Is that it? Just panko breadcrumbs?
Salt and pepper, some seasonings.
Salt and pepper, some seasonings. Okay, gotcha. Okay. And then here is his garlic bread that he's gonna pop in the oven. But yeah, this is how they're looking. We still got some in the frying pan, so as soon as this comes out, it's gonna be delicious. Alrighty, so I am finally seated and ready to eat. Right now it's 5:03. I've already broken my fast because I definitely had a few sips of coffee already, but I made my protein coffee in my little tumbler here. And if you can't tell from the steam that's coming up, I have my food here. So my girlfriend actually made some spaghetti, some homemade spaghetti. So I put that on the bottom, just added a few more noodles and a little bit of sauce and a half of one of those little chicken fillets that my husband made. Top that with a little bit of Parmesan and then a little bit of sauce, some extra sauce there just to keep it, you know, nice and juicy. And on the side here, I have a salad. This one was one of those bag salads that I picked up at the local grocery store. This one is supposed to be street corn, like a street corn type of salad. So it has little corn kernels on there, of course, and it has like lettuce and like the broccoli stalk and different types of, what is that called? Cabbage as well. So that's what I have, along with some little kind of Southwest type of dressing. Excuse me. And then on the side here, I do have a garlic bread. And the bread was the 647, the keto bread. Okay, so the 647 bread, again, my husband made the dinner. So I'm excited. So I have to kind of ask him like what everything is and all that type of stuff. So yeah, so that is my dinner for today. I'm excited. As I showed you guys, I have a Sprite Zero Sugar, my protein coffee, and I just refilled my water cup as well for the week. So yes, I'm ready to chow down. It's kind of a gloomy day, but it waited until literally we were on the road to come home to decide it wanted to rain. So that's what we had to deal with. It was a lot of rain coming in, but it's okay because we're home, we're safe, like I said, and we have a nice hot meal here. So we're ready to chow down, okay? All right, guys, I will see you all tomorrow, which is Friday. Thank goodness, TGIF. So Friday for tomorrow, and then we will check back in and show you. It's probably going to be leftovers. We have burgers that my husband made yesterday, on Tuesday that we can eat. And then we also have, the chicken Parmesan, basically. So we have a good amount of food to kind of carry us through the weekend, which is great. But I will check back in with you guys and show you my meal. So I hope you guys are having a good one. And I'll see you back here tomorrow. Same time, same place, right here on the channel. All right, see you later. Happy Friday, y'all. Welcome back to the channel. It is Friday, y'all. I am so excited. I basically just reheated some leftovers. This is the leftover mac and cheese for the week. I got a couple pickles, and I actually did a burger. This time I had some ketchup, and I added in a little bit of Swiss cheese, and I put that on top of that garlic bread toast that my husband made with our 647 bread. I have for bubbles a sun-kissed orange zero sugar. Of course, I made my protein coffee, my favorite. That's why it's so dark. And then, of course, I refilled my water cup for the week. So I am good to go. We will be prepping some chicken for the week. We did go ahead and grab some. Yeah, don't look at all those dishes. I got to clean up. But we grabbed some from the grocery store on our way in. So basically we have, some chicken. So we'll be prepping some chicken. We're going to try to do some shredded chicken, not sliders, but kind of like a barbecue pulled chicken. And then I'm also going to use that same pulled chicken and kind of do some, maybe some chicken tostadas, or basically like really large chicken nachos or chicken tacos, basically. So we're going to use that chicken in 2 ways. And that's not going to go to waste. We're definitely going to use that to the full. So, yep. Alrighty, guys, so that's it for my check-in today. I hope you guys had a great week, and I will see you all here tomorrow, right back here on the channel, same time, same place, to see what I'm gonna eat. Probably it's gonna be whatever we still have left. I'm not even wasting this food. I want to make sure it gets, it gets eaten for sure. But we will definitely be prepping food and stuff for the week. So stay tuned. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Saturday. It is February the 24th. I have just finished heating up my food and making myself a salad. I reheated some leftover coffee from Dunkin' Donuts, and I also put in one I guess load of chicken, if that's what you want to call it, but basically a tray of chicken into the oven for that to go ahead and bake. That way I can go ahead and shred that up. That one is going to be for the chicken tostadas that we're going to make this week. And then I have a second package of chicken that I split yesterday. You guys already saw the tape or the clip of that. That's in the refrigerator now, and that'll go in secondly, and that's for the pulled chicken barbecue, sliders or pulled chicken barbecue sandwiches that we're gonna have. So that's basically what I have for today. So for bubbles, I am gonna go with the Sun-Kissed Orange, 0 sugar. Helps me with my digestion, and then I refilled my water cup. We ran a couple errands today out and about on the weekend, which is normal for us. So we're back in the house, so we're probably gonna be here. Right now it is 2:54, so almost 3 o'clock. So I'm gonna go ahead and break my fast, and then you guys already saw my meal. So it is leftovers. No one's talking to you, girl. All right, so it's pretty much just basically leftovers. This one is the chicken parm that my husband made this week. So I have that, and then I did open up a new salad. This one is like a Southwest type of salad, Southwest chopped salad. So this one actually has green cabbage. Let me open this up. Romaine lettuce, carrots, pepitas, green onion, tortilla strips, and cilantro. And then the dressing was a creamy cilantro dressing. So that is what I had. I just grabbed this from the local grocery store, and so that's what I'm gonna have for today to break my fast. So it's almost 3 o'clock. I'm gonna go ahead and get that taken care of while this chicken is roasting off in the oven. And then once it's done, I will show you guys how I basically just shred it up and get it ready. It's basically just meal prepping for the week. So I'll get that ready and have that sitting to the side so that we can choose if we want to do the barbecue pulled chicken, or if we want to do, almost said pork, almost, or if we want to do just chicken tostadas. So whatever we feel like this week, we'll have at least, 2 things already prepped. So, yep, that's pretty much it, but I will check in with you guys later. Take care, and I hope you guys are enjoying your awesome weekend.